Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're here on the Ninja 4RR, and I ended up getting a flat tire, guys. So today I want to take you guys on the journey with me to go get the tire replaced. I'm heading out to one of my favorite spots, Maxim Honda Yamaha here in Allen. They're gonna get me taken care of, give me a new tire. I'm gonna see if I can get a Road 6, a Michelin Road 6 or Michelin Road 5. Maybe even step it up to a little bit of a wider tire. Maybe go to a from a 160 to a 170. Maybe we'll do something like that, but we'll see. I'm gonna take the back roads because the tire has a little bit of a slow leak. So I don't want to be getting on the highway going 65, 70 with a screw in my tire. So I'll just take it easy down the back road so I can get there safely. I also brought my little air pump, so if I feel the tire losing a lot of air, losing a lot of pressure, I can pull over and air it back up. But I think we should be fine. Love riding this bike. It sounds so good with the Graves exhaust on it. Man, I love it. Kind of a nipply day out here, guys. I think the high today is going to be 50 degrees. But man, so it's going to be a little bit cold, but I had to get out and get this taken care of on a Tuesday so I can get this tire replaced. So if I decide to go, or we decide to go riding later, the tire will be fixed. Like I said, it is a little bit cold out here. I love it. Neutral's like nothing on this bike. I love it. On the Aprilia, man, I'm searching for days sometimes trying to find neutral. I feel it, it's still giving me bounce. Get it, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. I freaking love it. The exercise, man. Exercise. Ooh, it sounds so good. I just can't lay into it all the way. 'Cause I got a nail in my tire, guys. Take my time, taking my time, taking my time. I remember when they were rumors about a Ninja 25R coming out, and then I saw some of the videos where I was like, really? We're really doing this? A small CC inline 4? That'd be pretty cool. And then the video they had was a guy on a dyno. I'm sure some of you guys probably seen it, but a guy on the dyno just going through the gears, man, and with the aftermarket exhaust, and it sounds so good. I was like, what the heck? That thing sounds mean, dude. And I was just like, man, whatever I have to do, I've got to get that bike. I gotta get it. That would be a one-off bike, something pretty cool to have in the stable. So later on found out that that bike was not coming to the US, but they were gonna do a 400 version, which now we know is a 4RR. And I was like, what? Oh, so that's even better. It has more horsepower than the 25R, which is basically a 250. I was like, all right, I gotta do it. I got to do it. And then when they had this bike for sale in the showroom, and it was already hopped up with everything on it, all the goodies, or a lot of the goodies, I was like, wow, I have got to get that bike. So here we are. Got the Ninja 4 $1. And it is so fun. So fun. We're gonna get there one day, don't worry. We'll get to the shop here shortly. Almost there. But not quite, but we'll be there soon. Oh, I gotta fix that. shifter. Quick shifter. Oh, I love it. Love using the quick shifter on this bike. And when you think about it, it's got so many goodies on the 4RR, guys. So many goodies. TFT display, shore front forks, adjustable rear shock, it's got the tech, it's got the rider aids, LED lights, quick shifter up and down. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on with this bike. It is such an amazing low CC sports bike. And I just can't get enough of it, man. Especially taking off. This bike just goes super fast. Gotta love it. Got to love it. And I just gave it moderate throttle right there, just a little bit on that turn back there. It just wanted to go. I mean, it is crazy fast. I think this bike was definitely made for anyone who wants to get on the track, especially if you're a beginner going to the track. This is what this bike is made for, that person, or the person that, like me, that just wants to have a fantastic sounding low CC motorcycle. It fits the bill for me too. Using it as a daily, I mean, it works out great for me. And the occasional Sunday ride, it works great. Watch this corner, watch this intersection. Make sure no one's coming out. McDermott. Mackie. Got the roundabout here. He's stopping for me. I have no idea why. Pretty cool though. I just wanted to take you guys on a quick ride with me to the shop so I can get this tire fixed. Also, when I get here, I'll probably do a quick little showroom walk around for you guys. Just something cool for you guys to see on the channel. Come on, light. Let's see what this goes over here. Looks like they want you to turn this way. packed out, bro. When I say packed, I mean packed. Packed out. Packed. With these gloves on. Oh, that was quick. Maxim. I gotta put my cameras out, bro. Rear tire. And as you can see, guys, we made it to Maxim. All right, let me go over here and get everything going so I can get this tire replaced. Let's look at some of the bikes they have here at Maxim for sale. Side by side, yeah, Yamaha side by side. Pretty cool. Look at this, guys. Nice. Got the Yamaha four wheelers right here. YFZ 450R. What kind of bikes they got? Honda, looks like a Goldwing, maybe? Yep, Honda Goldwing. Got a Yamaha Tracer. It's got that nice CP3 engine. Ooh. And we got a Honda here. What is it? A Honda what? Cannot tell what kind of Honda this is, but it's a okay looking Honda. Kind of looks boring. And next we have a 700. Okay, this looks nice. Good, how you doing? I like this. I like this right here. What is this? Tanneray 700. This looks pretty cool. Got that moto slash street bike look. Never seen this before. And it's powered by the Yamaha CP2 engine. Look at the controls, lights, start, stop. Nice little menu. We got the Africa here. Wow. Twin, Africa Twin. Honda. I like this too. But I like how the seat on the Honda, it stops right here. So if you're going too fast, you don't have to worry about sliding off the bike. I do like that versus this just being like a banana. Look at that dual clutch transmission. Wow. Boy. Take a look at the controls. Look at all this stuff, man. Nice little screen. Wow, that's crazy. Go over here. I think this is the first 2025 Yamaha MT-09 SP I've seen in person. Wow. Nice. Got to give it to Maxim. When there's a new bike coming out, they normally are the ones to get it first. MT-09 SP. All right, let's check it out. You know I got to check out the MT, especially if it's the SP. So it's got the same shocks like I have on mine. But now look at this, guys. It has the Brembo brakes. I freaking love it. So that's definitely upgraded. Brembo master cylinder, that's upgraded versus my bike. The seat, obviously my seat on my MT-09 goes all the way back like a banana. Kind of similar to that bike. Oh, I'm sorry, that bike over there. And now the seat to unlock it, the rear seat is right here. Instead of on mine, it's underneath here. And I always forget that I left it there when I get ready to take the bike out on the road. I freaking hate it. So I love that design. Still has the Olin shock on the rear, just like mine. Pretty cool. Look at the controls, totally different controls. Look at that. Lights, cruise. Yeah, totally different controls than my bike. Start, stop. New TFT display. Here's your ignition switch right here because it has a keyless start system on it. Yeah, nice. New rear tail light. Look at the front headlight. New headlight. And as you can see here, the cost of this one is a little over $12,000. Nice. Pretty much the same as my SP was when it was new. Love it. Love it, like it. Let's check this out right here. This is another, no, it's an MT-10. Nice. 14. It's probably an MT-09 right here. Yep. Nice. Look at these wheels, bro. Why are they putting these ugly wheels on these bikes? I hate that color. That is so ugly. And then this gray is like a matte gray. It looks weird. It looks weird. So yeah, this is a 2025, but you can tell, look at the design of this one. So this still has the key. It has the same TFT. But now with the regular MT-09s, you get cruise control as well. Versus when I bought mine, you only could get cruise control if you bought the SP model. So I freaking love it. So now with the regular models, you get cruise control as well. Cool, cool, cool. And obviously it's not an SP model, so you don't get the fully adjustable rear shock or the fully adjustable front suspension. But still a nice bike. I just hate the color of the tank and these ugly wheels. Let's check this one out. Now this one's nice. Ooh, I love it. Now I would take this color. I still like the color of my MT-09, but I do like the color of this one. I love the blue wheels. I love the blue tank. I freaking love it. Nice TFT, cruise control. They really did good with the new redesign for the new models of the Yamahas. And what do we got here? This is another MT-09. This color's nice. I would take this color. The wheels, I don't know, maybe. They don't look as bad as those blue wheels up there. But I would take it. They don't look that bad. And I love this gray tank. It's got a lot of metallic in it. I love it. Love it. And then next, this is probably my favorite. I love this retro cafe looking bike. Wow. This is nice. The XSR 900. What a nice looking bike. Cruise control. Small TFT like mine. Start stop. But look at this tank. Oh man. Got little inlets in here for the cold air intake. But I love this tank, guys. Look at this. It looks so nice. Orange right here. And then look at this seat. That just looks so retro. I freaking love it. And it is powered by the CP3 as well. And I love the wheels, man. Look at these wheels. That gold look looks amazing. Yellow fender. Gold forks. Check out that headlight. Love it. They want a little over 10,000 for this one. And I love this design for the mounts for the tail light. How they're perforated right here. I like that too. As you can see right there. XSR 900. Look at that rear tail light, guys. Look at that. That's so retro looking. I like it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. See what they have back here. CF Moto. CF Moto. R7. CBR. CBR. Let's take a look at this CBR. What is this? It's a 500. 650R. This one is CBR 1000RR. This is a beast. Oh yeah, this is the bike right here. Not for me. I don't need that much power. Nope. R7. Cool, cool. Oh, I like this. I like how the blue goes down here on the fairing. That's pretty cool. I like that. Kind of just bleeds over from the fuel tank all the way down to the fairing. I do like that. I like that. That's pretty cool. Nice. CF Moto, they're getting more and more popular here in America. Nice. I tell you, the design of these bikes don't look bad at all. I like how they look. Look at the front headlights on this one. They look pretty cool. Pretty cool. I don't know how reliable they are, but they do look nice. And then back here, guys, look at this. So many more bikes. I think this is probably their new 450 SS CF Moto. Nice. I mean, look at the design of these CF Motos. Look at this. Open air rear seat. Look at this. Look at the design. Nice. Let's see. Rear tail light. Carbon right there. Carbon right there. Carbon look. This is probably carbon look, not carbon, but still looks good. It's got the little winglets right here. I like it. It looks nice. Nice little TFT display. The controls. Cool, cool, cool. And then what is this? This little thing. Check that out, guys. 401. Never heard of this. I don't know what type of bike this is. It does look cool. If you guys know in the comments down below, let me know what kind of bike this is. I have no idea. It is cool looking though. Nice. And next to that one, is this another CF Moto? Yep, CF Moto naked bike. And then we have the big, is this a MT-09 or MT-0? Yeah, MT-09. Nice. It's probably, I don't know. It's a nice looking bike. I don't know if it's a trade-in or not, but it's got all the little extra bits on it. M4 exhaust, TST turn signals, steering damper. Nice, nice, nice. And then what is this? MT-07? Yes, MT-07. Nice. Another MT-07. Big Honda right here. Look at this Kawasaki. This bike looks amazing. Big boy Kawasaki. Let's go on a safari type Kawasaki. It's crazy. Just standing next to this bike, I can smell the fuel fumes. It's crazy. Nice. Wow. And I mean, they have so many dirt bikes in here. This looks nice. Wow. Look at this. Nice looking dirt bike here. Got this one right here. That one. That one. Ooh, look at this. We got a KTM hiding back here. Looks like a sport touring KTM bike. This is a Super Duke 1290. Big boy right here, boy. Dang. Dang, this is nice. It's cool. It's got the huge windscreen in the front. Check out the headlight design. It's got the Michelin Road 6s on it. Nice orange and black fairings. Nice. Got the Evotech right here, protector. Got the ASV levers. So this one's tricked out already, brand new. ASV over there. Nice TFT display. Like I said before, huge windscreen. I love this seat. I love the rear seat. I like these bags. Man, it looks nice. And then I just love how they bring that orange from here into the frame of the bike. Man, it looks amazing. Love it. SC Project exhaust, single-sided swing arm. Wow. What a nice bike. And I don't know if I showed you guys the display, but look at the TFT display. It is freaking huge. Nice. What do we got over here? You got all these little bikes right here, but what is this? Zero. So this is an electric bike. Okay. Okay. That's what you want to do, guys. Electric. It does look nice. I got to give it to them. It looks pretty cool. 13,000. I like this design here. Love it. Look at the frame. Z4 7510 0. Like it. I like it. It's pretty cool. I just like to hear my horsepower when I get on it. I gotta hear some sounds, bro. Some sounds. Cool. Cool, guys. Check it out. They have all of their jet skis over there. So pretty much whatever you guys want. Sport bike, naked bikes, jet skis, dirt bikes, they got it all. Then they have all your riding gear all over there. Helmets here. More dirt bikes. Look at this thing. Just tricked out. Man. Crazy. Then they have the little motorcycles for your little ones over here. Check this out. Nice. Nice. Cool, guys. Cool. Cool. Let's see if he's ready with my bike, so I can get up out of here. But guys, yeah, check it out. If you guys are interested in any motorcycles, hit up Maxim, Honda, Yamaha. All right, guys, they are done. Check it out. Nice. Michelin Road 6, 170/60 ZR17. It looks good. Wow. So like I said before, they did not have the 160, so we went with a 170 size tire, and it looks good. There's plenty room in between the swing arms and that chain. It looks good, bro. Dang, it looks amazing. Did a great job. 10-4. So let's get on the road. Look at her, guys. Look at that green. I freaking love it. Look at that. That's just a fantastic looking bike, period. Hands down. Kawasaki killed it with the 4RR. It looks gorgeous in this sun. Let's give you guys some revs. Listen to that. Ooh, I love it. I love the way she sounds. Man, amazing. I freaking love it. All right, guys, we're gonna be heading home. Looks like I'm gonna need some fuel, so I'll probably stop and get some fuel as well. Man. Wow. Freaking love it. Love it. All right, let's get on the road. Ooh. New tire, so I gotta be careful, guys. New tire. sit on it a little bit here on the highway. Nothing too crazy. Good, yeah, feels good, feels good. Surround Matrix Gray C8, looking good. There's the C8. ETA late. Let's get it. Let's get it. The C8s are out. They're getting out because it's getting cold soon and people are going to want to put their C8s up. Torch red C8. HTC hardtop convertible. That's what I'm talking about. I don't know if you can see here on the camera, but you can see the hips. It doesn't have hips, man. I don't know why they didn't put hips on it. Oh, yeah, that's right. That's what the Z06 is for. And the E-Ray. I swear, when you get new tires, you can feel a difference. I mean, it feels like, first of all, I'm sitting on top of the world. Seems like I've got all kinds of grip. Man, it feels amazing. I freaking love it. But anyway, like I was saying, yeah, man, it feels much, much better with a new tire. Man, I freaking love it. Seems like the ride height has gone up a little bit as well. It feels good. It feels good. Yeah. It feels good. There we go. Green light. Green light, green light. Trash man leaking up there. It feels good, yeah, it feels good. Yeah, it feels good, yeah. It feels good. Yeah, so it feels great, man. I love it. It feels so much better with the new tire on it. I'll tell you that, definitely. And then once he gets the other tires in, as far as the MT-09, I want to get a new tire on it. And I think I'm going to get a new tire on this one, a new front tire on this one as well. So those are still, he doesn't have those in stock right now, so I had to order them. So they're on their way. As soon as those tires get in, he's gonna give me a call and I'll go back and get those installed. Man, this freaking bike sounds amazing. Golly. Dipped off in that dip. Gonna pay attention, pay attention. Pay attention. Well, I'm gonna be looking for all kinds of screws in the road now. I do not want another nail in my tire. It's just stupid. Ooh. Go, go, and go. Nice. I almost forgot to do the outro, guys. Sorry about that. But anyway, yeah, made it home safe. As you can see, bike is here. Again, I got to give thanks to those guys over at Maxim, Honda, Yamaha. They hooked me up. They did a fantastic job. So I'm glad you guys ride with me today to get that done. And I hope you guys enjoyed that showroom walk around. So we're going to end the video here. If you like this type of content, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button, but don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new content. I'll see you guys in the next upload. Stay safe out there. Peace. Oh, I didn't know you guys were still here. Well, since you're here, click on these other 2 videos and keep watching Gary's rides.